Have you ever stopped to ponder the silent significance of bridges? These marvels of engineering that connect cities and cultures, that stand firm against the forces of nature year after year. But what keeps these structures safe and functional? The answer, quite simply, is structural health monitoring. Consider the case of the Pamban Bridge in India. This cantilever sea bridge, one of the longest in the country, is a testament to human ingenuity. Built over a century ago, it spans a 2-kilometre stretch of the treacherous Palk Strait. Now, imagine the sheer volume of traffic it supports daily, the environmental factors it contends with, and the age-related wear and tear. The Pamban Bridge, despite its age, continues to stand strong. It's a testament to robust construction, yes, but there's another hero in this story: structural health monitoring. This is an ongoing process of evaluating the health of a structure, identifying potential problem areas, and implementing necessary repairs or reinforcements. In the case of the Pamban Bridge, a team of engineers used advanced sensors and data collection tools to monitor the bridge's health. These tools provided real-time data about the bridge's performance under various conditions. It was this constant vigilance that allowed them to detect a small but critical structural anomaly. The anomaly, left undetected, could have led to a catastrophic failure, endangering lives and severing a vital connection between regions. However, thanks to the structural health monitoring, the engineers were able to identify the problem early and take immediate action. This swift response prevented a potential disaster, ensuring the Pamban Bridge could continue its silent, invaluable service. So, how important is structural health monitoring? It's a question with an answer that is as clear as it is vital. Structural health monitoring is essential to the safety and longevity of bridges. It enables engineers to detect problems early, preventing catastrophic failures and ensuring the continued operation of these critical infrastructures. In summary, the video explored the importance of structural health monitoring, using the case of the Pamban Bridge in India as an example. It explained how this century-old bridge continues to function safely, thanks to ongoing monitoring. It highlighted the role of advanced sensors and data collection tools in detecting potential problems, and the importance of a swift response in preventing disasters. And as the Pamban Bridge stands tall, weathering storms and bearing loads, it serves as a silent reminder of the importance of structural health monitoring, of the vigilance required to keep bridges safe, and of the lives that depend on these marvels of engineering every single day.